Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer YouTube channel. Today's session is SAP MO Material Master. Before going to session, like and share my videos, comment your valuable feedbacks. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload new videos. What is Material Master? The Material Master is the central source of information for a material related to several application area like purchasing, storage, accounting, sales, warehouse, etc. based on material type. Today we will see material creation, material change, material display, list of material report, material extension to other plant, material extension to other storage location, flag deletion of material organization levels. Let's see practically one by one. For material creation, transaction code is MM01. This is navigate to create material screen. Another one way we can use that through SAP menu. We go to SAP menu, logistics, material master, material, create, then click MM01. Okay, this also show the create material screen. Now you select the industry sector. I selected mechanical engineering industry sector. Material type, I select create the material as a raw material. So you select the raw material, enter. Here this views selection. So it will around 26 view available. So each functional module they will select it based on the requirement. So basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, plant storage 1, plant storage 2, then accounting. So whichever the field are required to us, so we will select that, give OK. Plant, our plant is KP1, storage location 201, enter. The description they will asking, so I will create it as a desktop. Basic unit measurement I will given as a each. Material group not nothing but material which are having some same characteristics are grouped together and assigned to a material group in SAP. So we will select based on the material group. I will select a desktop as a electronics group. These are the mandatory fields. Okay, so whenever SAP having this like a tick mark box, so this is a mandatory field. See, without this filling this data, SAP not allowed to go next screen. In purchasing view, the purchasing group will be very important. This is used for daily procurement activity. In accounting, we give the valuation class for raw materials. 3000 is a valuation class for raw material. We'll give standard price. Yes, now material was created. This is internal material number. This is system proposed automatically. So now we'll go to change the material. Transaction code is MM02. If any change required, so you will go to MM02 T code, give the material number, enter, give the per plant, storage location. So I will change basic unit of measurement EA to piece. So I will change the unit of measurement. We will save now. So we changes. So what are the changes done in Metal Master? You can see the MM03 also display material. You see that display material we created. So this is the display material. So each view we can see our what input we given, we can see here. Everything display in the material. So in that you go to environment, display changes. So here this happen, two changes will happen in system. So here you see that basic unit of measurement, old value is EA, new value is PC. So it will be changed by us. So it will, who will change that, you can see immediately. These are the display material screen. So this display changes, you can directly only material wise you can see through MM04. You give a material as a plan, execute, you show only the displays changes. Okay, so you can see same again the changes done by SS. So this is MM04. So then we can see extend the material to other plant. We have a two plant. So first initially we created the material for one plant. So we want to extend the same material to another plant for material transactions. So it will go to same MM01 T code. So we put our material. First we get the material. The material from also you given same material. So another copy from also same material number. I will give from also same material, copy from material also same material. Data. You see the different screen. So one is for plant storage location for extension from where you copy. So that screen also, that option also showing here. So our plant is KUP2, copy to plant 2, storage location 0001. So copy from plant 1 KUP1, storage location 1000. Storage location is 0001. So it will be extended. So you can see here the plant is 2 KUP2. Everything is automatically taken from the plant 1 data. So now created as a materials created for plant 2. So we can extend the material to storage location. How to extend the next storage location? T code is MMSC. Given the material number, plant, Presently, the storage location material extend to only for 0001 storage location. I will extend to 0002 storage location and 0003 also. So I will extend the storage location 0002 0003. Save. It will be extended to other storage locations. Next is for list of material reports. So you go to what are the materials available in our plant. You can see that the DICT code called as MM60. You go to the material number, give plant. It will show how many materials in your plant. So as of now we having only one material available in our plant. That material number, plant name, material description, material type, the unit of measurement, the valuation class, price, unit price, everything in the list. If we created one more also, it will showing. I will show next two plant also what are the materials available. You can see another plant also, both plant in same time. So here you see same material already we extended to plant 2. So that also showing here plant 1, plant 2. So this is list of material we can see here. So another one thing, this for material deletion in SAP as a function model can't delete directly any of material. So this is a lengthy process they can do a technical team. So we can do one thing for deletion. We can temporarily maintain the deletion block for the respective material. So it will not allow to any PR, any sales transaction, any PO transaction. So this is not allowed to create any transaction. At the time showing the error, this is metal black deletion block. So how to see? This is MM60 deletion of material. Sorry, MM06. It's a deletion of block. Okay, you leave the material number, plant. Otherwise, you not give the plant. You delete the plant. Okay, enter now. It will give the organization level wise. So client level, you click and enter. This will enter plant, storage location, valuation type. So everything this material was blocked. You given the without plant, it will blocked as a organization client level. You can give any plant. You click. This is only for plant level, plant storage location, everything. So we can block as a storage location level also. You click here storage location 0001. You can click here. It's only flag bar storage location level. So this is also one of the way deletion of block material. Okay, it will not allow any metal transaction in system. You can see the material master tables in main table. You go to T code of SE16N. You can see MA RA table, the general data table. You give the material. Execute. It will show the entire material general data. So material number, creation date, material types. So what are the material general data? Everything you can see the MARE table. MERC for storage location level data. Sorry, MERD storage location level data. You can see, give a material number. Okay, you see here material number is 2867. It will be extended for 0001 storage location, 0002, 0003. Another plant also it will be extended. So what are the storage location level data and plant level also you can see here. So this is the main table for Metal Master tables. So today's session is over. I hope you this video is helpful to you. So like and share my videos, comment your valuable feedbacks, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you, friends.